What's wrong? The hub bearing making noise? Hey, make sure that's right. Remember when we put them on wrong and the ABS light would come on?
Oh, did
Yes, the black ring go a certain way.
the black ring goes on the other side. But the thing is, with this one, it has a tone wheel.
Oh, so it ain't really a ring. The ring ain't telling the speed of the rotation. I know what's called had to take one back out because this fool pressed it in wrong. They all come apart, split like this. When did that fail the 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock test? Or, you know how you grab the wheel at 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock?
Oh, no, it's
Just, didn't give off that loose feel, guys. I'm a 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock type guy when I check hub bearing. I hope they don't think this is garbage. You know what that is?
all the damn
Airbag. Yeah, the thing to adjust the airbag. I hope they don't throw that away. That should be in the tool room. You man, sure you doing that right? No, Chan.
It'll be right when I get done with it.
Something don't look good. That's what I do. Use the old hub bearing because it's the same diameter.
Yeah.
Press that sucker right down. Hey, what's for lunch, man? Oh, I can eat that. All right, guys. I'm gonna let him be. Let him handle his business. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, I want to show y'all something. Show you how sophisticated these computers are, right? Y'all see that? That is my daughter's Chrysler 200. She got it painted blue. Oh my goodness, these cheering. All right, so now it's in the shop, right? I'm scanning it. There's a recall on it. I have the recall W84 to flash the controller and the TCM for burning oil. Y'all know the 2.4's got a problem with burning oil. But anyway, let me show y'all something. I'm looking on the DTCs, all DTCs. Here in the BCM, guys, let me show you how sophisticated these cars are, right? In the BCM, there is a code for license plate lamp control under current. And it's active. Y'all know what that means? That basically means that the license plate bulb is out. Look how fancy these computers are. And of course, this battery is low code. That's stored. But I have an active code for BCM. Now let me show y'all. Let's go over to the car. I'm going to show y'all something. So let me turn the alright, headlights on. Now let's go back to the I just want to point out okay, you see that damn computer is able to, is this a backup camera? Yeah, I think it is. The computer will tell us if a license plate light is out. And it is. You can see that, right? This side is working, this side is not working. Man, pretty fascinating, guys. Now I've been a mechanic a long time, and pretty, how you get to it? It's probably more trouble to get to it. Oh, looks like some torque screws. Okay. Yeah, you take these off. Y'all, let's do this right quick, guys. I got a little time on my hand. Let me go grab. No, actually, it's a Phillip head right there. So you ain't got to take this whole. This is the camera. Okay, if you take all of these screws out, you're gonna take the whole camera off. I'm only interested in the. Well, it look cracked. It might be broken. But let me grab a Phillip head and take this off, guys. A little minor stuff. Let's get it, man. All right, guys. I went and grabbed my small little Phillip head. Let's get this out. Oh, I don't think I know it ain't a big deal, but I don't think I've replaced a license plate bulb. Obviously, for them to get us a code, meaning they take it seriously, and you should. The cops want to know who they're chasing and going after in the event of a high-speed chase. Cops want to be able to find out what's the number on the license plate, so you should have your light bulbs working. I'm joking, guys. Let me get this off, guys. All right, guys, I got the cover off, and let's get to the bulb. Now, just typical bulb, guys. All right, I'm gonna replace this bulb and put it all back together. I just want to show y'all the power of a controller, automotive computer. BCM, I think, has control or has the way of monitoring license plate lights. Okay, this bulb is burnt out. The BCM triggered a fault code stating such, and now the mechanic's job is to fix it. Whatever the fix may be, hopefully the fix is as simple as replacing the bulb. At any event, that's what I'm about to do, guys. All right, so that's all I have. Let's move on, guys. Thanks for watching. Whoa, all right, guys, look what showed up. Again, some more of the Jeep L, okay? Whoa, look at this beauty here. Look what they're doing to the shakers now, guys. That look more better, a whole lot more better, okay? This brand new, this just touched down. Uh-oh, we got a black one, Grand Cherokee L. Where is the sticker price? Did the sticker price change? Did the gas mileage change? All right, I don't see the... Let's go over here, guys. Inquiring mind want to know. All right, mainly I'm talking about this Challenger. Okay, because a lot of people don't seem to care what the gas mileage is. When they want one, they get it. It's likely, I don't know, 392 maybe? What's the sticker on this? 5480, all right? 21 MPG. Nice, guys. I talked about this a while back on a previous video. Yes, everything is nice about this. Look at the entertainment system, guys. I have no knowledge about that. We got to go take a course on new model highlights, the entertainment system, info system. Okay, I haven't had any training on it, so I couldn't tell you absolutely nothing about it. All right. Sunroof. Yeah, my light not working on my phone, but just 3-row seatings on a Jeep Grand Cherokee now, as opposed to 2. All right, I always thought that was weird when I was driving Uber. I had a Jeep Grand Cherokee, but I couldn't do XL rides in it. Okay, yes, this is a beauty. Look at the shaker, man. Golly. Ain't much change on the inside. Oh, it's locked. What the hell is doing locked? Okay, guys. Enough fooling around. Brand new plastic steel on the wheels. All right, so let me get out of here, guys. That's all I wanted. Just wanted to show y'all what showed up. All right, so that's all I have, man. That stuff ain't gonna be that long. So if y'all looking for one, come get you one. Tell them JT sent you. All right.